how to do exactly my problem that I invented with my own custom data in my brain. From stackoverflow.com. I would like to submit this as an example of how not to ask for help. This is from not just sliced competitor, sliced playoff contestant, but also our studio queen, Julia Silgi. Hi, Julia. This is to let you know that I'm guessing your book on text mining with a tidy approach has been nothing but a nightmare for beginners like me to serve as a useful guide to do one's own text analysis. All the codes and data sets are simply taken from packages of which the codes don't work with my own data. Okay? It simply gives me lots of errors. Oh my god. No. Oh god, this is... I mean, the person does say they are a beginner. Okay, I have tried several ways, including online forums, but to no avail. Yes. What did you Google? How to do exactly my problem that I invented with my own custom data in my brain. From stackoverflow.com. I will find anyone who is a jerk to Julia. Me too. Dear Julia, your code didn't do my work for me. You suck. Regards. That's right. Someone is good at debugging. Please, my family is dying. Oh, God. I have tried several ways, including online forums, but to no avail. The book should have used a step-by-step approach like others do. Even chaps on case studies are not helpful. It's unfortunate. The book would have been a mini Bible on using the tidy tools as a practical guide for novices. Regards. And then here, it looks like Julia actually tried to help. I had to search hard online to be able to read my files using the code below, all text. When I tried to do term frequency using your example, error. Oh my goodness. This is just something you just copy and paste and see where you went wrong, and then you debug. But we're gonna go two ways with this, okay? We're gonna go two ways. And the first way we're gonna go is, we have all been beginners. We have all been very frustrated before. You see me frustrated on this stream before. Sometimes it gets the best of you because you see other people doing cool shit, being able to execute code in like easy, seamless ways, and it just feels defeating when you have a bunch of examples that just don't work, and like perhaps I'm just naive sometimes, and like I don't put like something in a list, something just comes out as a string, something isn't this or that, and then like I just feel very annoyed once I figure out the solve. Like, we've all been beginners. That's one side. The other side is just not being an asshole, and that's what this is. Julia is an actual patron saint of education. Looking at this email, she actually tried to reply, to help and debug. Even with all of this she still thought, you know what? We can help solve this. And this person was just pure venom. How do you think you're ever gonna get help anywhere if your approach to people who are trying to literally help you is, you didn't do the work for me, go f*** yourself? Like, what a moron buffoon. This doesn't make any sense. Biting the hand that feeds. I get that a lot in this stream. I get that a lot in the DMs. It's unfortunate because the people clearly want help. They just are like really bad at asking for it. I'm not here to educate anyone. I'm not trying to help anyone out in terms of like holding your hand and teaching you how to do the shit I do. I just do it because it's fun. And if y'all are like hanging out with me while I do it, it's even more fun. And then for those who like glean any insight from any of the things I do, great. Some people end up asking for way too much. And it's like, it's not my job to teach you manners. I remember the first time I sent an email to request for an album as a first-time journalist trying to fake it to make it. I had never requested from a manager a press kit before, and so I asked, and that manager immediately knew I was new to the field, and gave me like one sentence of advice, which was like, don't do this, ask for things like that. And I took that advice and ran with it and never had another person ever, regardless of if my email was good or bad. I have no clue. No one else in my entire career as a journalist knowingly giving me advice as someone who was new to the industry. No one ever did that ever again. Julia is a person who does do that. She recognizes people who like are beginning, are maybe trying to start from nothing. And she is so patient and kind to people. Like, I couldn't do that. Why would you do it this way? Or Python is so dumb, like you can't do it that way. Or if you want to break the cycle of assholes in tech, if you want to break the cycle of asshole programmers, then don't be an asshole. It starts with you. You're the one thing that you can control. If you're looking for help with the RStats problem, I recommend that you do not email the individual author or open source something maintainer. Software maintainers. Oh, open source software. This would be a reprex, a reproducible example. Demonstrating your problem, naturally, none in this email. Post on a public forum like RStudio Community or Stack Overflow. Sensible. First, let me insult you, then let me ask you for help with my specific issue is always my favorite type of email. Nothing but a nightmare. Like, okay, dude. Get f***ing real.
Your code is bad and you should feel bad.